everyone, welcome to my channel Ananya's Crafty Creations, and today I'm going to show you my telescope as I love watching stars and planets, and I told my father that I want something to view the planets and stars nicely in detail, so he bought me a telescope, and I have bought this telescope from Amazon and it's really very heavy. So now let's open it. Where's the gift wrap? Guys, I have paid 30 rupees extra for the gift wrap and they haven't gift wrapped my telescope. Let you see. Okay, but what we are paying the money for? We are paying it for the gift wrap and they are sending this cardboard box. Okay, let's move on to the video. It comes in this case and it's really very heavy. Okay, now I will show you how to assemble this, how to use this, and I will also tell you all the parts while assembling this. So now let's start. The case is of very good quality. It is a hard case. So we get this instruction manual, this tripod stand, a cloth for cleaning all the lenses, and this main tube, and all the lenses have this kind of lid to protect them from the light. Then we have this angle prism, a bolt to secure the main tube with the tripod stand, two lenses, and our eyepiece. And we also have these bolts to secure the pieces. So now let's assemble this. First we will open our tripod stand. We will take our main tube and then place it just like this. And we will secure it using this screw. Just like this. And it's very easy to assemble. Then we will take this erecting eyepiece with it has a 1.5x magnification, and if you want to see the stars, then you have to assemble just like as I am assembling. And if you want to use it as a land viewing telescope, then you don't have to use this eyepiece and the angle prism. You have to stately put this lenses in this main tube. Then we will insert the eyepiece. And we will secure it using these bolts. just like this. Then we will insert the angle prism like this. Take the bolt and screw it. And guys, don't view the sun or any optical or electronic device with this telescope, as it can damage the retina of your eyes badly. It can burn it. Then there are two eyepieces. Two lenses. One is of 20x zoom and other is of 60x zoom. So this has a 90x zoom. So let me tell you how will it get 90x zoom. So you have to insert the lens of 60x zoom in this like this. Secure it, and then the view of this will multiply with this eyepiece, erecting eyepiece 1.5x, and it will make 90x zoom. And here is its focal length, and its focal length is 360 mm. See, we have to do it very slowly. It's sticky. It's very sticky from this side. And we are done. So now you can adjust it like this for viewing the stars. You can use this for focusing. And let me once again tell you that you have to view this from here, and then you can focus it like this, and then you can focus by moving these. And I think this instruction manual is of no use, as I have told you all the things. So let me once again tell you the parts. This is the main tube. This is the focusing knobs. This is the erecting eyepiece. This is the angle prism. This is the tripod stand. And if you want to see the stars or planets, you have to assemble it like this. And I will also tell you how to assemble this if you want to see the land. What you have to do, just unscrew all the things. Not all the things. Unscrew the angle prism. Unscrew the lens. And unscrew the erecting eyepiece. And take the 20x zoom lens. Insert it. Secure it again, and now it's ready for the land use. So this was my telescope. Hope you like my video. If you find this video helpful, then give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment, as I love reading all of your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.